Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are looking to completely erase your footprint with Electronic Arts, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to permanently delete your EA account. Before we begin, please keep in mind that deleting your account is irreversible. You will lose permanent access to all your purchased games, in-game items, subscriptions like EA Play, and all your saved progress. If you are absolutely sure you want to move forward, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to help.ea.com. Make sure you are already logged into the specific EA account that you want to delete. Once you are on the home page, locate the search bar. Simply type the word delete. From the suggested results that appear, click on the article titled How to Delete an EA Account. This will bring you to a help page detailing the deletion process. Scroll down this page until you find the Contact Us button and click it. Because EA does not offer a simple one-click delete button in your settings, you have to submit a formal data deletion request through their support team. In the issue description box, be very clear and direct. Type, "I want to permanently delete my EA account and all associated data." Now click Submit. This opens a support ticket and EA will contact you via email to confirm the deletion within a few business days. If you see an option to chat with an advisor, you can select that instead to connect with a live representative. Just tell them you wish to permanently delete your account and they will process it for you on the spot. And that is it. It takes a few extra steps, but your account will be successfully removed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.